Hello students, welcome back to my channel Commerce Tute, your flight to success. And yes children, today we are going to solve question number 1 of the chapter number 5, that is deposits, secretarial practice, 12th commerce. Students, आज हम question number 1 A, B, C, D and E solve करेंगे, discuss भी करेंगे and we will try to make the things very simpler to you people. ठीक है? So before starting children, as always, those who are new to my channel, kindly like, subscribe and share so that it is useful to all. ठीक है? On that beautiful note children, let's begin. स्टूडेंट्स इस एक्सरसाइज में आई मीन टू से क्वेश्चन नंबर 1A में जो है ऑब्वियसली नॉर्मली जो होता है जैसे सिलेक्ट द करेक्ट आंसर फ्रॉम द ऑप्शंस गिवन बिलो एंड रीराइट द स्टेटमेंट्स. ठीक है. सो द फर्स्ट वन इज डिपॉजिट इज अ टाइप ऑफ डैश. डेफिनेटली यू कैन सी द आंसर विच हैज बीन हाईलाइटेड. शॉर्ट टर्म लोन. स्टूडेंट्स यस, इट इज नॉट ओन्ड कैपिटल नॉर इट इज अ लॉन्ग टर्म लोन. ये शॉर्ट टर्म लोन है. इमीडिएटली व्हेन company wants to raise the capital immediately for a shorter period of time, you can say, so it is sort of a short term loan. ठीक है. Second, eligible public company and government company can collect deposits from dash. Yes, public. जो public company भी public के साथ collect कर सकती है और government company भी collect कर सकती है from public. ठीक है. Third is private company can accept deposits from its members or directors up to not more than 100% of its aggregate of paid up share capital and free reserves. Remember this children, यहाँ पर बात हो रही है प्राइवेट कंपनी की जो एक्सेप्ट करते हैं डिपॉजिट्स किससे, मेंबर और डायरेक्टर से, जो नहीं होना चाहिए ज्यादा, मोर देन 100% ऑफ इट्स एग्रीगेट ऑफ पेड अप एंड फ्री रिजर्व्स. ठीक है. Then the next question is fourth one. A dash company can accept deposits from public not exceeding 35% of its paid up share capital and free reserves. जब गवर्नमेंट कंपनी में when we will गवर्नमेंट कंपनी रिलेटेड जो भी है तो उसमें company can accept deposits from public not exceeding 35% of its paid up share capital and free reserves. So the correct answer is government company. Deposit can be accepted for a minimum of 6 months and maximum of 36 months children. Company issues dash to invite its members to subscribe for its deposit scheme. Invite करती है members को subscribe कर, उसको हम कहते हैं circular. Okay, the correct answer is circular. Seventh one is company can issue circular or advertisement for inviting deposits after 30 days of the filing it with the registrar of the company. Students, अब जो भी objectives देख रहे हैं ना, fill in the blanks, उसमें ज़्यादा करके months are asked और days are asked. So थोड़ा सा ये number wise है तो इसको या percentage wise पूछ रहे हैं तो it is very important for you कि ये थोड़ा technical है, मतलब numbers है, days है, so you should remember it accurately. Kindly highlight and keep it and remember it so that anytime you read it, kindly try to remember. तो ये dates, days, percentage याद रह जाएंगे. ठीक है. 8th one is company has to appoint dash to protect the interest of depositors. स्टूडेंट्स, हमने डिवेंचर में भी ये पढ़ा था कि किसको अपॉइंट करते हैं टू प्रोटेक्ट द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ डिवेंचर होल्डर्स, तो वहां पर था डिवेंचर ट्रस्टीज. रिमेंबर, तो यहाँ पे हम बात कर रहे हैं डिपॉजिट्स की, डिपॉजिटर्स की, तो कंपनी हैज टू अपॉइंट डिपॉजिट ट्रस्टीज टू प्रोटेक्ट द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द डिपॉजिटर्स. ठीक है. सो लेट अस गो टू द 9th one. Charge on asset is to be created when a company issues secured deposit. Students, again I want to go in the flashback और आपको रिलेट करके बताऊंगी कि जब हम चार्ज ऑन द असेट की बात करते हैं डिबेंचर्स में भी वो सिक्योर्ड डिबेंचर्स ही होता है. रिमेंबर, तो यहाँ पर भी हम बात कर रहे हैं रिगार्डिंग डिपॉजिट, सिक्योर्ड डिपॉजिट. चार्ज ऑन द असेट इज टू बी क्रिएटेड व्हेन अ कंपनी इश्यूज सिक्योर्ड डिपॉजिट्स. ठीक है. 10th one. Deposit receipt is issued within dash days of receipt of deposit. Yes, the right answer is highlighted already, 21 days students. Deposit receipt is issued within 21 days of the receipt of the deposit. 11th one, for premature repayment of deposit, company deducts dash percent of interest. Yes, 1%. Okay, the right answer is 1%. 12th one, return of deposit must be filed every year on or before. Yes, the right answer is 30th June. Students, return of deposits की बात हो रही है यहाँ पे, तो right answer क्या है? On or before 30th June. ठीक है, so here we finished with the question number 1A, that is, select the right option and rewrite the answers. Let us go to the B part of it, students. Simple है, match the pairs है. Okay, I have already shown you the arrows correct answer के. चलो इनको discuss करते हैं. Private company. Yes, students, the first answer, that is private company, you can see the arrow going to the fifth one, that is 100% aggregate of paid up share capital plus free reserves in case of private capital. Okay. Second is deposit trust deed signed at least 7 days before issuing advertisement. The right answer is second one, that is signed at least 7 days before issuing advertisement. थर्ड आता है आपका सिक्योर्ड डिपॉजिट्स. द राइट आंसर इज चार्ज ऑन टेंजिबल एसेट्स. अभी हमने फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में भी ये देखा है ना, सिक्योर्ड डिपॉजिट्स, चार्ज ऑन द टेंजिबल एसेट्स और क्रिएटिंग द चार्ज ऑन द एसेट्स. ठीक है. देन आता है आपका टेन्योर ऑफ डिपॉजिट्स. यहाँ पर आप देखिए एरो गया है 8th पर, मैक्सिमम इट इज 36 मंथ. टेन्योर ऑफ डिपॉजिट्स मैक्सिमम इट इज 36 मंथ्स. ठीक है. Last but not the least, return of deposits. Yes, it has shown in the 10th one. File on or before 30th June every year. Children, kindly remember, return of deposits is on or before 30th June every year. Okay. Sometimes you may get confused about, 31st, maybe April, March, whatsoever. But nahi, yahan pe the right answer is on or before 30th June of every year. ठीक है. सो दिस मैच द पेयर्स आर वेरी वेरी सिंपल चिल्ड्रन, एंड व्हेन यू कैन सी इट, जब आप एक व्यू करते हो इन द एरो फॉर्म, देन आई फील दैट यू विल रिमेंबर इट ऑब्वियसली फॉर मोर टाइम, है ना. लेट अस गो टू द सी पार्ट ऑफ इट, स्टूडेंट्स. राइट अ वर्ड और अ टर्म और अ फ्रेज विच कैन सब्स्टिट्यूट ईच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग स्टेटमेंट्स. ओके. फर्स्ट वन, a company which can accept deposits from its members, directors or their relatives not exceeding 100% of the aggregate of paid up share capital and free reserves. Definitely children, this is private company और ये अभी हमने match the pairs में भी देखा है ना. Second, company which can accept deposits from public up to 35% of its paid up share capital and free reserves. Students, 35% की जब बात आती है तो डेफिनेटली वो गवर्नमेंट कंपनी होती है, तो ये आपको याद रखना बहुत ही ज्यादा जरूरी है. ठीक है. थर्ड इज मिनिमम टेन्योर ऑफ अ डिपॉजिट. यस, इट इज 6 months. मैक्सिमम टेन्योर ऑफ अ डिपॉजिट इट इज 36 months. ठीक है. ओके, लेट अस गो टू द नेक्स्ट, फिफ्थ वन. Period within which a company has to create a charge on its tangible assets. Yes, within 30 days of the acceptance of deposits. Okay, with ये जो charge of the asset होता है tangible of assets में, especially tangible assets, वो कितने times, मतलब within how much period they are asking. So definitely it is 30 days of the acceptance of deposits. Sixth is documents issued by a company to invite its members to subscribe for its deposits. ये भी हमने अभी देखा था फिल इन द ब्लैंक्स में चिल्ड्रन. द राइट आंसर इज सर्क्यूलर. सेवंथ इज अग्रीमेंट बिटवीन कंपनी एंड डिपॉजिट ट्रस्टी. यस, इट इज डिपॉजिट ट्रस्ट डीड. रिमेंबर डिबेंचर के टाइम पर भी हमने डिबेंचर ट्रस्ट डीड पढ़ा था, वैसे डिपॉजिट्स में भी अग्रीमेंट जो अंडरटेक होता है कंपनी और डिपॉजिट ट्रस्टी में, उसको हम डिपॉजिट ट्रस्ट डीड ही कहते हैं. ठीक है. डिपॉजिट इज द ओनली वन विच हैज बीन रिप्लेस्ड हियर नाउ. Eighth one, account that can be used only for repaying deposits. This is very important students. बहुत लंबा है लेकिन याद रखना जरूरी है. आप इसको DRRA भी बोल सकते हैं, but remember it is deposit repayment reserve account. Okay. Ninth one, time within which company has to issue deposit receipt. I think this was also been seen in the fill in the blanks, but anyways it is within 21 days from the date of receipt of deposits. Students, if the concept is clear, definitely fill in the blanks. Multiple type की जो भी क्वेश्चन आते हैं MCQs बहुत इजी हो जाते हैं सॉल्व करने में, ठीक है. 10th is book which contains details of deposit accepted or renewed. Yes, it is the register of deposit. So it's very simple. Okay, so I hope if you have read the objectives and when you're going through the videos, definitely आपका 1-2-3 बार revision इस वीडियो के थ्रू ही हो जाएगा, है ना. Let us go to question number 1D, students, that is state whether the following statements are true or false. Return of deposit, the first one I'm reading out. Return of deposit must be filed every year on or before 31st March. Completely wrong है, false है, because 30th June is the right answer, so it is false. First one. Second, eligible public company can collect deposits from its members. True. Okay. Government company can collect deposits from its members. False. Members nahi. Okay. Either public or eligible public. Remember, a private company can collect deposits from public. False. Deposits can be accepted for maximum of 36 months. A huge yes, true. Minimum 6 months, maximum 36 months. ठीक है. Sixth है, eligible public company can collect deposit from public not exceeding 35% of its paid up share capital and free. False. 35% मैंने आपको बोला था, ये डायरेक्टली हमको गवर्नमेंट कंपनी के बारे में बताती है. It's not eligible public company, children. So it is a big no. It is false. Seventh one है, for secured deposits, company has to create a charge on its tangible assets. True. Eighth, deposit receipt is issued within 21 days of the receipt of deposits. True. ये अभी इसमें भी आ गया है, no? It was there in the fill in the blanks, it was there in the one word or phrase, and now it has come in the true and false. Now you can see how the things can be given to you, children. These are just testing your clarity of concepts. अगर वो clear है तो you can answer them. That's it. Ninth, company appoints credit rating agency to protect the interest of the depositors. False. ये depositors के interest को protect करने के लिए नहीं है. ये credit rating agency company को rating देती है, ठीक है. Deposit trust deed is an agreement between company and deposit trustee. Definitely. ये deed जो है ये company और deposit trustee के बीच में ही होती है, ठीक है. So students, question number 1 A B C D हो चुके हैं हमारे already. अब हम जाते हैं the last question under question number 1. These are the 5 sub questions which I'm going to do question number 1. Remaining we will continue in the next video. चलो इसको भी हम जान लेते हैं. बहुत simple है students. Find the odd one. Private company, eligible public company and government company. Definitely बाकी सब में public company होती है, लेकिन government company में सिर्फ eligible public company और public company होती है. तो odd man यहाँ पर है हमारा government company. ठीक है. Deposit trustee, deposit trust deed and special resolution. Definitely deposit trustee, deposit trust deed जुड़े हुए हैं क्योंकि company and deposit trustee go into an agreement called as deposit trust deed. Special resolution is when decisions are taken. Special resolution is called, I'm going to say is taken with the approval of the shareholders in some meetings. तो यहाँ पर इसका कुछ लेना देना है नहीं. So यहाँ पर odd man out है special resolution. ठीक है. Then the third one is appointment of deposit trustee, appointment of registrar of companies and appointment of credit rating agency. Students, appointment of deposit trustee or appointment of credit rating agency applicable to the companies as far as deposit is concerned, लेकिन appointment of registrar of companies इसका यहाँ पर कुछ लेना देना है नहीं क्योंकि this is something else out of the box. So the right answer, the odd one is sorry, appointment of registrar of companies. So this is it, children. I hope this exercise will help you in understanding the fill in the blanks or one word match the pairs या true or false, find the odd man. ये सारी चीजें आपकी clear हो चुकी है and whenever you will watch the video it will help you in remembering, as I always see, for a longer period of time. ठीक है. So that's it in this video, children. I hope the concepts are the solutions, you can say, or the exercises which are solved are completely clear, concept clear hai, and you are now also understanding the logic behind the way they are asking the question. So I hope the things are getting better on your side as well. So in the next video, we will continue with the question number 1, remaining sub questions for sure. So that's it in this video, children. Yes, if the concept is clear, if the solutions are helping you a lot, kindly like, subscribe and share so that let someone somewhere get the benefit of this video. Okay, so on that good note, children, thank you so much. Definitely we'll be meeting in the next video. Till then, take care. Thank you so much, students. Thank you.